Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Long have I wanted satellite radio, but it was always a mistress that had been just beyond me because I refused to pay the monthly fee just to have a little bit of radio sent my way. There are some awesome channels that you can get on the satellite radio, like for example the Garth Brooks channel. He has his own station. And what's really interesting about that is the Garth will not let his stuff be sold through Apple Store or the Google Play Store. You can't get it, man. You want all Garth all the time, ladies and gentlemen. You have to get satellite radio. There is a way to get free satellite radio. And after searching the globe for so long, I am ready to share with you my secret, ladies and gentlemen, of how you too can get SiriusXM radio. Remember when it was Sirius or XM radio? Apparently they got together and they fusion Sirius XM radio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I will show you how you can get this for free. Well, the trick, and it's a trick, it's not a hack, the trick to getting free Sirius XM satellite radio is you got to go to used clothing stores, you got to go to yard sales, you got to go to rummage sales and try them out, because a lot of the time you will find ones that have been activated for life and people just don't want them anymore. They don't need them and they forget all about them, they get rid of them. This is probably the fourth XM unit I've been through. The first one I've tested and it has all the internet radio you could want, and my wife is so happy with all of the Garth Brooks. It's frickin' amazing. It's frickin' amazing. But yeah, go to your secondhand store. Don't feel too bad to go to your Salvation Army. Don't feel too bad to go to your secondhand store and try this stuff out. It's frickin' amazing and it feels wonderful when you find one that actually works. So there might be ways to hack it. I doubt it. But if you want to get free satellite radio, ladies and gentlemen, get over yourself and go to the secondhand stores. Get secondhand stuff. Try it out. See how it is. But remember, if you let Sirius know, if you are reported, they can just pull it from you. But yeah, again, there's a lot of these things that when it was released, they had lots of they had lots of promotions where you could get it. You could buy it and then you could get unlimited on it for, I think it was like, I want to say like $60, but that can't be right. It must have been in the hundreds, because isn't this like $10 a month or something like that? Now, one very interesting thing about this older unit, it's only in mono. Are all XM radios in mono? It's like, it doesn't matter that much. I bet the average person couldn't tell in a car the difference between mono and stereo, just how much makes their hair bounce and how much they like their hillbillies tunes. Let's face it, some of the best music and times that we've ever had were spent in vehicles with cheap vehicles with tinny music with the people we love. That's the good times. That's when the good music happens, and that's the good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. That's the good stuff, to me anyways. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as usual, take care of each other. If you don't like the Salvation Army, make sure you be donating money to some other group. It's easy to pick apart things. It's hard to be constructive, and it's hard to be good. But we got it. That's what we're here for. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.